She gets up early. She gets up early. He washes his face. He washes his face. She drinks a glass of water. She drinks a glass of water. He takes a quick shower. He takes a quick shower. She tidies her bed. She tidies her bed. He puts on his clothes. He puts on his clothes. She has a healthy breakfast. She has a healthy breakfast. He checks his messages. He checks his messages. She goes to work. She goes to work. He waits for the bus. He waits for the bus. She shops for groceries. She shops for groceries. He prepares dinner. He prepares dinner. She cleans the dishes. She cleans the dishes. He organizes his room. He organizes his room. She talks to her mother. She talks to her mother. He plugs in his phone. He plugs in his phone. She reads a newspaper. She reads a newspaper. He watches a movie. He watches a movie. She closes and locks the door. She closes and locks the door. He goes to sleep early. He goes to sleep early.